Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic might surprise some of you. We're diving into the world of dropshipping, but with a twist. Can you actually use Spocket, a popular dropshipping platform, with the king of online retail, Amazon? Now, for those unfamiliar with dropshipping, it's a business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory yourself. You essentially act as a middleman, connecting customers with suppliers who then handle fulfillment and shipping. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But with Amazon's own robust seller program, is there even a place for Spocket in this equation? Let's unpack this question and see if Spocket on Amazon is a match made in e-commerce heaven or a recipe for disaster. The allure of Spocket. First, a quick rundown on Spocket's charm. It simplifies dropshipping by offering a vast product catalog from pre-vetted suppliers, primarily in the US and EU. You can browse, select products, and even edit product descriptions with a few clicks. Spocket also integrates with several popular online store platforms, streamlining the listing process. Imagine finding trendy phone cases, comfy loungewear, or even quirky home decor, all ready to be added to your store with minimal effort. Plus, Spocket boasts real-time inventory syncing, so you never risk overselling an out-of-stock item. Sounds like a dropshipping dream, doesn't it? Amazon's tight grip. Now, Amazon is a different beast altogether. As an Amazon seller, you have two main options: fulfillment by merchant, FBM, and fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. With FBM, you handle inventory, packaging, and shipping yourself, essentially the traditional dropshipping model. But most sellers opt for FBA, where Amazon stores, picks, packs, and ships your products for a fee. Here's the catch. To use FBA, you need to send your inventory to Amazon warehouses in advance. This eliminates the core benefit of dropshipping, the lack of inventory management. So, if you're planning to leverage Amazon's FBA service, Spocket becomes a bit redundant. But wait, there's a loophole, kind of. There's a slight wrinkle in this story. Amazon does allow FBM for certain product categories. So, theoretically, you could use Spocket for these specific categories and leverage Amazon's massive customer base. However, there are significant drawbacks to consider. Firstly, competition on Amazon is fierce. Standing out with dropshipped products, often priced higher due to supplier markups, can be challenging. Secondly, Amazon has strict seller performance metrics. Factors like order fulfillment times and customer satisfaction can lead to account suspension if you fall short. Dropshipping, by its nature, can make it difficult to consistently meet these high standards. So, can you use Spocket on Amazon? Technically, yes, for select FBM categories. But in reality, it's not an ideal scenario. The limitations of FBA with Spocket and the competitive landscape on Amazon make it a tough path to success. Spocket alternatives for Amazon. If you're set on selling on Amazon, you might be better off exploring wholesale suppliers directly. This allows you to negotiate bulk discounts and potentially offer competitive pricing. Additionally, consider private labeling, where you brand generic products, giving you more control over pricing and margins. The final verdict. While Spocket offers a convenient dropshipping solution, it's not well suited for the Amazon marketplace. There are better avenues to explore if you have your sights set on becoming an Amazon seller. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.